The wrong person can delay your business by years, not months. Years. The wrong partner, the wrong hire, the wrong advisor, the wrong mentor, the wrong operator, the wrong client, the wrong person you keep around because they are familiar, available, or emotionally convenient. This is move 9 in the August QiMen Business Strategy series, finding the right power person. And if you ignore this move, you may spend the rest of the year trying to solve business problems that are actually people problems. That is one of the most expensive mistakes a founder can make. Most founders think they need more strategy. Sometimes they need better people, a better mentor, a better advisor, a better operator, a better salesperson, a better assistant, a better referral partner, a better room, a better standard of conversation. Because your business will usually rise or fall according to the quality of people around your decisions, not around your motivation.
It's cute. People determine execution and execution determines outcome. सबसे बात करने के लिए August is a critical month for people decisions. Monkey month strategy is sharp. Autumn metal energy is selective. It does not reward keeping everyone around because you're afraid to disappoint people. It rewards discernment. Who should be closer? Who should be removed? Who should be consulted? Who should be recruited? Who should be ignored? Who should be watched carefully? Who should never have been given influence in the first place? These are painful questions, but founders who avoid them often pay for it later. Usually with money, sometimes with reputation, sometimes with years of momentum. Sabse baad, here is the brutal truth. Some people in your business are not helping you grow. They are helping you stay stuck. They agree with you too easily. They comfort your excuses. They make weak thinking sound reasonable. They give advice from a level they have never built. They drain your time with problems but bring no solutions. They need constant emotional management. They make you feel responsible for their lack of ownership. And because you are loyal, you keep them close. That is not loyalty. That is leadership blindness, and it is expensive. QiMen Dunzia is useful here because QiMen for business owners is not only about opportunity. It is also about reading people, timing, and strategic action. Who supports the outcome? Who blocks the outcome? Who brings clarity? Who creates confusion? Who gives access? Who drains energy? Who helps you move at the right time? Who keeps pulling you back into the old pattern? In business, people are not neutral. They either move the strategy forward or they slow it down. And if you do not know which is which, your business will teach you, usually brutally. This is where many founders fail. They hire because they are tired. They partner because they are lonely. They accept clients because they need cash. They follow mentors because the mentor is famous. They trust advisors because the advisor sounds confident. They keep staff because replacing them feels inconvenient. They surround themselves with people who reduce pressure in the short term but create weakness in the long term. Then they wonder why the business feels heavy. It feels heavy because the wrong people are sitting inside the system. Pros, if you are a founder, you need 3 types of people around you. People who open doors, people who tell you the truth, people who can execute without becoming another child for you to raise. If someone does not open doors, tell truth, or execute well, you need to ask why they are taking so much space in your business. Harsh? Good. Weak people decisions have destroyed more businesses than harsh questions ever will. Pot. A power mentor is not someone who makes you feel inspired. A power mentor changes the quality of your decisions. They ask better questions. They see the pattern you are missing. They challenge the excuse you are protecting. They stop you from making expensive emotional moves. They help you understand timing. They help you see the opportunity before the crowd sees it. They do not just give advice, they upgrade your thinking. That is the person founders need in August. Not cheerleaders, not fans, not people who clap while you drive toward a wall. This is also why consultation matters, because sometimes you are too close to your business to read the people clearly. You confuse history with value. You confuse effort with effectiveness. You confuse loyalty with alignment. You confuse chemistry with strategic fit. You confuse confidence with competence. And by the time you realize the difference, the cost has already been paid. Lost time, lost money, lost trust, lost market timing, lost opportunity. That is how regret is built, slowly. Through people you should have questioned earlier. Madapar. Here is your August people audit. Who gives you energy? Who drains it? Who brings clarity? Who creates more questions? Who moves fast? Who delays everything? Who tells you the truth? Who tells you what keeps them safe? Who helps you access better rooms? Who keeps you trapped in old rooms? Who protects your standards? Who quietly lowers them? Do not answer emotionally. Answer based on evidence. Because your feelings may defend someone your business has already outgrown. Madapar. The right person can shorten your path. The wrong person can extend your struggle. That is the FOMO. Because somewhere right now, another founder is meeting the advisor, operator, mentor, or partner who will help them move faster for the rest of the year. And while they are upgrading their circle, you may still be explaining basic accountability to someone who should have learned it 5 mistakes ago. That is how businesses separate. Not always by talent, by who they allow into the strategy. Matalakan. Join my Telegram chat if you want sharper conversations around QiMen, founder decision making, people strategy, business timing, and the moves most founders only notice after the wrong person has already cost them money. Most people wait until the damage is obvious before they review their circle. By then, they are not making strategic decisions. They are doing repair work. You do not want to spend the rest of the year repairing what better timing could have prevented. Matalahad, before August ends, choose one people move. Find the mentor, speak to the advisor, recruit the operator, remove the drain, end the weak partnership, set the standard. Stop asking unqualified people for advice on decisions they have never had to make. That last one alone can save you years. Because bad advice from the wrong person often feels comforting at first, then expensive later. Matalahad. Subscribe if you want more QiMen Tunja, August QiMen forecast, mentor strategy, QiMen for founders, QiMen for business owners, Chinese metaphysics business strategy, period 9 business strategy, business timing, founder decision making, recruitment strategy, and strategic execution. Join my Telegram chat if you want the sharper business timing and people strategy conversations before the damage becomes obvious. And if you want to know which August move applies to your business, your timing, and your chart, book a private QiMen consultation. Because the wrong person may not destroy your business immediately. They may simply slow it down long enough for the right opportunity to pass you by. That is worse. Because you may only realize it